Hey Sasha, I need to take a book Людина Болотик for my Belarusian literature lesson. Let's go to the school library.
Oh, sure. It should definitely be in our school library.
I think it will be a very interesting book.
So, I see. Oh, Costa, hello. Oh, seems interesting. Oh, what is it? Oh, Pasha, come here, please.
What's up?
I have found a strange old paper.
Wow.
The legend about the serum of hell.
Let's find out what this legend is about.
Питные меды, наливки, дубняки, зубровки, лупни, збітень
Я покидаю вам у спадщину подороже багатих чудових напоїв.
і хвороба зникає сама.
Я, князь Микола Радзивіл, покидаю своїм нащадкам судодійний напой, який вирятує ваше життя. Wow, if the story is true, we must try to cook збіті.
So exciting. So, let's move to the kitchen.
Let's go. To make a traditional honey-based збіті, we need
Some amazing delicacy honey, 1 cup of sugar,
1 tablespoon of cinnamon or 3 aromatic cinnamon sticks,
10 whole cloves,
1 tablespoon of ground ginger,
1 teaspoon of cilantro.
3 bay leaves with warm flavor.
So, take a medium saucepan. Combine water, good quality honey,
Please check it.
sugar,
Check it.
this today is the cinnamon and unreal cloves.
Check it. Then add some magic ginger. Some cilantro. And the surprising ingredient, bay leaves.
So, then what is next?
And next, oh, I forgot what is next.
Really? Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, you can call a friend.
It's a very good idea. Let's call Kostya. Hi, Kostya. We need help. Come to the school kitchen, please.
No problem.
Waiting.
What's up, guys?
Oh, Kostya, unfortunately we forgot what is next.
You should slowly bring the mixture into the saucepan to a boiled water and keep it over medium heat until the sugar and honey is completely melted. After that, remove it from here.
Thanks, Kostya.
Thank you, Kostya. Bye.
Bye.
So, the sugar and honey has melted. Let's remove it.
Let us begin come to the room temperature. So we try to create a recipe that really shows the flavor of Belarusian honey and the aroma of genuinely Belarusian spices.
So, to my man Pasha, cooking is a source of very relaxation.
I agree with you, my friend.